NIBE group is about 25,000 people with a lot of different brands and companies within the group. Not having a proper tool didn't give us a full insight in the price waterfall. We didn't have control over transaction prices, we didn't have control over our cost development, so we were more or less blind in our day-to-day work. The previous solution was Excel, more or less, and doing that type of work that we do today in Excel can be done, but then you need to develop a tool in Excel. And that takes a lot of resources and consultancy power, which costs money.
It was very manual before with the pricing. So with the Zilliant, there's a better follow-up and we have better benefits that we can look at.
What stood out for us about Zilliant was the fact that we needed very few resources from our side during the implementation. The implementation was very fast compared to others, and also the route to results or showing results was very quick. Financially, technically, it was the absolute best solution. The fact that I can be self-propelled, not needing support all the time from Zilliant, but when needed, everyone is there in customer support. I have no issues at all when something happens, but most of the time we are self-propelled. I work on my own, and that's what we were looking for. We have a lot of dreams about Zilliant, but the first thing was to get control of our transactions and the waterfall. On the pricing side, it's questions we should be able to answer, and those we are now able to answer within a click of a button that previously we couldn't do even with hours and hours of work in Excel. Zilliant has made it very easy for me to do my job. We just did a price increase for all our subsidiaries. It should be in effect in a couple of months. It took me totally about 30 minutes. It would have taken me about 2 months before. It's a drastic change. Zilliant means that we can trust in our numbers. We can see when we do things, what happens. We also see changes before they're actually going to happen, which sounds a bit strange, but it's actually what we can do with the tool. It gives us a fantastic insight and analytics and good decision making for our pricing journey.